So while modern service management continues to extend and provide even more functionality across the enterprise, what's really good is that we're still able to use the single system of record to be able to manage incidents and restore service as quickly as possible. So we've really enhanced those original or those legacy ITIL processes that help us keep control of our organization to provide things like service catalogs, event management, and real-time reporting, but we haven't moved away from keeping those controls in place and being able to restore service as quickly as possible.